It's all part of a new way of thinking called rhythm engineering.
The traffic lights of the future are here now.
For motorists traveling on 21st between Wanamaker and Fairlawn, they may be witnessing more green lights.
Lowered average drive times 30%, and they have seen 16% less accidents.
To help with emissions and congestion by moving high-volume areas quickly. Studies also show a 20% reduction in side and angled impact crashes, which are common on several roadways.
Have even seen fewer red light runners.
Implemented a smart traffic signal system that's resulted in fewer red lights and traffic accidents.
The InSync traffic signal system is a win-win situation for just about everyone involved.
My quality of life improves when I don't have to be cursing every light as I'm going through it, but I'm making my way through all the lights.
We had the opportunity to apply for an energy grant from the federal government, and the person that does our grant writing, he said, "Hey, do you have any ideas for this energy grant?" And it's like, yes, we'd like to try an InSync system from Rhythm. It was installed in Little Rock, Arkansas, and they also installed a system in Missouri. And based on what I had heard and seen about the system, we were pretty impressed with the results that they were having. Our first 22 intersections were put in for the sake of energy and pollutants. And we put in 3 different corridors at that time. The first one was 21st Street. The second one was Wanamaker, and the third was Topeka Boulevard. The best feature of the InSync system is it's a real-time adaptive traffic signal. So it's adjusting constantly for the traffic that's out there. When you typically coordinate traffic signals, you coordinate them based on the traffic that's there for that particular day, or you can coordinate them for different times of the day. But with the InSync system, the coordination is real time. Along 21st Street, we have 2 years of crash data since InSync has been installed. When we looked at 2 years before and 2 years after, we averaged about 140, 143 crashes every year before InSync was installed. After, it was about 104, 108. So it was a 24% reduction in crashes. With the use of the InSync product, you have better progression. You can go through the corridor without ever having to stop, and they don't have as much congestion. You have fewer opportunities for accidents, and that's basically what our data has shown. Some people calculate that we're saving like $1 million a year just along one arterial. You know, some of these corridors you may had to stop 4 times before, and your delay, you might have had, say, 300 seconds of delay that went out down to 100 seconds. So some of these corridors, your average speed was like 13 miles an hour, and now it's closer to 30, 35 miles an hour. I think that we always strive to make our drivers as happy as we can, cut down on road rage, you know, make the roadways safer, and get voluntary compliance. I mean, basically, if you can get more green lights, you're not going to have people running red lights, and if you can keep traffic moving at a consistent speed, you shouldn't have as many speeders. So you're going to get that voluntary compliance and get drivers that are more satisfied with their environment. The InSync system has a lot of benefits to the traveling public.